Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions, and I'm here today at good old favorite Morgan Road Crossing. As you can see, we have a high clear, which means our train, CSX Q372, is almost here. Q372 today has a total of 7 locomotives. One of them is an ex-Penn Central Jeep 38, still in YN2 paint. It's very rare and very cool to see, as there are a very small number of EMDs still in YN2 paint scheme. Without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the train. Let you know when it gets here. Okay guys, we should be hearing it at Woodbine Road any second. CSX 504 should be in the lead. Crossing should activate before the train gets here. Crossings in 3, 2, 1, and this train must be going slow. There we go. And 2756. All YN2s up front, followed by 2624, 7699, and 7692. Hazard placard 1075, liquefied petroleum gas. Hazard placard 3295, don't know what that is. Back to 1075 again. All these are DOT codes for what's in tankers. More 3295 and back to 1075. 3295. 1268. I believe that's a petroleum distillate. Then back to 1075. They're all mixed in here. 3295, 1268. Yep. Lots of tankers at the front of this train. And a refrigerated boxcar. Old KCS. Don't know what ARMN stands for. Okay, mid DPUs, 7015 and 504. Detroit and Mackinac, LRWN, interesting. Looks old and rare. Never seen that before in my couple of years doing this. Couple old boxcars. Argon, 1824, 1789, 1993, that's diesel fuel, empty tanker, 1268, distillates again. Steel girders. Finish it off with an empty center beam. Hope you enjoyed that video, everyone. Have a wonderful night.